scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. You get close and all the doors, and they won't want you anymore.
This sounds funny, but I say it anyway. Should I stay through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day? You get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life.
In a world where everybody needs a happy ending story, it's a warm and love you make the world go round. And don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. You can know when you're buried in the song. Let me hear you sing it. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round.
But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears goodbye. You'll get by. Happy birthday!
Thank you! Thank you! Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday!
Isang wow!
Eto na kami, wow! Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi kasama si Jolina. Ay, naku,
Special delivery ah!
wala na. Sinasabi ko lang, ikaw
Munti ka
naman.
malaglag.
Hello.
Buti ka tuloy malaglag.
Nakakaya
Happy
naman
birthday,
dito
pare ko.
si Diana.
Pare Gogi, thank you very much.
Kinikilig yata ako.
Ladies,
Kinikilig ka, Isabel?
Ito kayo.
teka muna. Kanina, di ba, dami bumati sa'yo sa video?
Oo.
Meron pang isa pang gustong bumati sa'yo.
Yes,
Ganun
meron
ba?
pang isa.
Yes.
Special K.
Ayan.
Wait lang.
Oh, nakita mo?
Oh, ay, thank you
Hi, Sir
naman.
Marvin. Happy birthday po. Salamat po sa lahat ng tulong na naibigay niyo po sa amin.
Boss Marvin, congrats sa success ng iyong career and for your business.
Hi, brother. Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best this year. I know good things and greater things will continue to happen to you because you're such a great person. Sana dumami pa yung tindahan natin together. It's a great partnership, a great friendship.
Happy birthday, JJ.
Happy birthday, my son. Now you're turning 30. Wish ko matupad na yung dream house na pangarap mo. Sa career mo naman, more projects to come. I love you, son. We love you.
Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
May pinagmalahan. May tayo na kumanta.
Grabe. Nasa tono ang mga bata.
Yung nanay ko nagsinungaling.
Bakit naman?
30 ka pala?
30 ka daw.
Sinong 30?
Hindi.
Wow!
Jolina?
Hindi mo namin kaedad.
22 lang.
Uy, Marvin, nakakaya kay Buboy. Ano ba?
Naamin ko na. Dahil dyan, gusto kong pasalamatan lahat ng tao. Dito sa SOP, thank you very much. Alam niyo, masarap talagang mag-celebrate ng birthday. Kasi nararamdaman mo gano'n ka-special. At saka, sarap lang talaga. At yung mga taong mahal mo sa buhay, nakikita mo. To Tita Wilma, thank you very much. Miss Annette, Miss Lilibeth, Tita Avin, Tita Reggie Magno, Miss Darling, Direk Louie, SOP family, Miss Hazel, La Lola family, Miss Cheryl, Miss Regina Alba, maraming salamat. Rams, you're the best, Mother Rams. Urban Edge, Salon de Manila, at lahat po ng bumati sa akin sa VTR, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. From the bottom of my heart, I love you all.
Dapat every week kumakanta ka na dito.
Live, ah.
Nagulat nga ako, kala ko hindi naman
Live ka kanina dun sa, ano, kayo
Honestly,
ni
my
Jolene.
baby, live.
Basta si Jolina ang kasama ko.
Ano ba, alam mo, kinikilig ako.
Nawawala yung kaba ko.
Grabe.
Pero Marvin,
Bakit nandiyan ka daw?
ngayon ka lang, nakakaya kay Diana.
Jolene.
Ka ba, birthday ko?
Alam mo, Jolene,
Itong pinagpawisan ng ganyan.
tama
Bakit
rin na
kaya?
nahihiya ka.
Bakit?
Wala lang.
Ano ba?
Pero, alam nyo, gusto ko lang sabihin to. Ito lang ang uli kong statement, ha. Di ba sa haba-haba doon ng precision?
Kiss!
Sa akin din naman.
Hoy, Marvin!
Just kidding.
May adip ka dyan.
Kasi ikaw, kung saan-saan ka pa tumitingin, dapat pababa.
Ayoko nang pawisin eh. Ayoko nang pawisin.
Sorry. Mamaya.
Anong kiss?
Kiss
Alam nyo,
Grabe kayo.
napaka-predictable nyo. Later na lang sa backstage.
Happy birthday, Marvin.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
I'm
Thank
so
you.
speechless and so kilig. My gosh. Happy birthday, Mare. Sige na, inihiling lang. Oh. Isa lang, oh. Pambira naman, oh. Ayan na, oh.
Hindi. Kasi alam niyo ba, sa buong career namin ni Jolina, never ko ba siya nakiss sa lips? Ilang taon na tayo sa showbiz?
Matagal na.
Ilan na? Magdodosi na ako. Ikaw.
Sige na, dear friend.
20 years na ako.
Pero never po siya nagpakiss sa lips.
Alam mo, Marvin, merong ano yun
Ngayon
eh.
kaya pwede na.
Dapat yung pinaghahandaan, hindi porket birthday.
Sige na, friendship lang naman.
Pihira.
Gi, pwede na ba, Gi?
Hoy!
Paring okay, pwede na.
Oo naman.
May live ko. Ano pa
Dali
kayo?
na.
Wait lang.
Ano na?
Ba't ka nag-aayos ng hair?
Ganito lang, para hindi ka
Sige na naman.
Hindi, para hindi mailang si Jolina, ikaw na lang kumisakin.
Punta
sige.
na ako to sa... Uy, Marvin, happy birthday. Huwag ka gagalaw, ha? Happy birthday, Marvin!
Thank you, SOP family.
Aabot din tayo. Girls, ladies, thank you very much.
Kayo, gusto niyo yung kiss? later.
Happy birthday, Marvin. Alright, Michi.
Happy birthday.
Heart, kamusta tayo dyan? Ano? Kinilig pa kayo?
From